So today we're going to be using this 1-inch angle steel to build a lovely little storage rack for a bunch of ammo cans. These ammo cans are really good for storing things like food, medical supplies, and ammo for your assault rifle. I'm hilarious. Crack myself up. Anyway, so the tops of these and the bottoms of these are roughly 6 1/8 inch wide. So I'm going to space them about 6 1/4. They need to be 12 inches long roughly, because these are like 11 and a half. So we need basically 8 pieces for each rack for a total of 32 12-inch long pieces of angle steel. Okay, so we have a mess on the ground. There's 32 foot long ones, there's 8 26-inch long ones, and there's 4 44-inch long ones. So let's go assemble everything. So all I'm going to do here is just go one at a time. I'm going to put my primary over here, make sure that it's square with my square, and then we tack weld it. And then measure it. I'm putting 6 3/16 should be the perfect amount. And then we square that off again and tack weld that, and then we continue until the whole thing's done. So now the whole thing has been tack welded together and then finally welded on the back. I'm gonna have to cut this little excess off here and then kind of clean up everything else. And now we just do this whole thing 3 more times. Now the only thing left to do really is weld them to the sides. So all I'm doing to make sure that these are evenly spaced is I have 4 14-inch tall pieces of square tubing, and I'm just going to rest the shelf on top of the shelf below it. Next. And we can spray paint it. I'm choosing black just because I have a lot of black paint. It looks good too, especially with those green ammo cans. Alright, there we are, all locked and loaded, full of stuff. But it makes a nice addition next to all my disgusting work area tools. I'm pretty happy with it. Individually labeled, of course. Anyway, that's about it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, hopefully it was useful. Maybe you'll make one. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. I'll see you next time. Have a good week.